Phase 1 voting in Lok Sabha election 2024. According to the schedule announced by the Election Commission of India, the Lok Sabha elections 2024 will be held in 7 phases. The first phase of the Lok Sabha elections 2024 is scheduled for April 19, Friday, and the results will be announced on June 4. The voting will commence at 8 am and conclude at 5 pm on April 19. An additional hour is provided as a buffer period for voters who are already present in the voting line. List of states and constituencies. The first phase of the elections will cover 102 constituencies across 21 states and union territories. They are Phase 1 voting Lok Sabha 2024, key candidates. About 8 union ministers, 2 former chief ministers and 1 ex-governor are among those who are set to test their electoral fate in the first phase of elections on April 19, with all eyes being on them during the first phase of Lok Sabha elections on April 19. Explore below. 1. BJP's Jitendra Singh, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Two-time MP and Union Minister of State for Science and Technology and Minister of State for Prime Minister's Office, Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, and Department of Space. All eyes will be on Dr. Jitendra Singh as he contests again, aiming for a 3-time hat-trick in the Udhampur constituency of J&K. Reflecting on the last 2 elections, in the 2014 elections, Dr. Singh defeated the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Ghulam Nabi Azad, with the victory margin only widening in the 2019 elections against Congress's Vikramaditya Singh. 2. BJP's Nitin Gadkari, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Sitting MP and the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari has won the Nagpur Lok Sabha seat for the last 2 terms and is set to seek a 3rd term in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in 2024, with the fray for the Nagpur Lok Sabha seat in Maharashtra being highly anticipated in the first phase of voting. In the 2014 elections, he secured a victory against the 7-time MP, Vilas Matimbar, by a significant margin, followed by retaining the seat in 2019 by defeating Congress candidate Nana Patil. This year, Gadkari will be contesting against the current sitting MLA of Nagpur West of the Congress Party, Inc., Vikas Thakare. 3. BJP's Jatin Prasada, Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh. Pilibhit, which has been a stronghold of the former Union Minister Menka Gandhi's family for quite some time now, is set for a high-stakes contest in the first phase of the election on April 19. Pilibhit is set for a high-stakes contest in the first phase on April 19, with all eyes on the BJP's Jatin Prasada, the PWD minister in the Yogi Adityanath government, as he goes up against the SP's Bhagwat Sarang Gangwar. Interestingly, the BJP has decided not to field Varun Gandhi, the 3-time MP for the constituency. 4. BJP's Kiran Rijiju, Arunachal West, Arunachal Pradesh. The upcoming elections in Arunachal Pradesh will have simultaneous Lok Sabha and Assembly polls in the first phase on April 19, where the 3-time MP and Union Minister of Earth and Sciences, Kiran Rijiju, is contesting from the Arunachal West seat, against the former Chief Minister and present President of Arunachal Pradesh Congress Nabam Tuki. Reflecting on the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, Rijiju won the election from the Arunachal West constituency, followed by in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, securing a landslide victory over Congress Nabam Tuki from the Arunachal West constituency. 5. BJP's Topon Kumar Gogoi, Congress's Gaurav Gogoi, Jorhat, Assam. Gaurav Gogoi, the Congress's deputy leader in Lok Sabha and son of former Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi, has won the Lok Sabha elections 2 times since 2014 from the Kaliabo constituency in Assam. However, due to the delimitation exercise in 2019, He shifted to the neighboring Jorhat constituency and now will be contesting in the upcoming Lok Sabha 2024 elections against the sitting MP of Jorhat from the BJP, Topon Kumar Gogoi. 6. Angomcha Bimal Akoijam, Congress's Inner Manipur candidate. Angomcha Bimal Akoijam, a professor in Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, is the Congress's candidate from Inner Manipur constituency, which will vote on April 19 in one phase. Dr. Akoijam took the political plunge after a lifetime of teaching.